So I've been testing out two of the newest open-source mixture of experts models, Kimi K2.6 and GLM 4.7, and honestly, they feel built for totally different types of developers. Kimi K2.6 is kind of the creative powerhouse. It's amazing for front-end work, UI design, and anything visual. It can even spin up huge multi-agent workflows, like hundreds of sub-agents working in parallel, which is wild if you're doing large-scale automation or design-heavy projects. Plus, the long context window makes it great for complex, ongoing tasks. On the other hand, GLM 4.7 feels more like a precision tool. It's cheaper to run, super strong at back-end logic, math, and coding reliability. If you're working in terminals, DevOps, or multi-language systems, this one just feels more stable and predictable. So the simple way to think about it, Kimi is for building and visualizing. GLM is for reasoning and optimizing. Honestly, the best choice depends on whether you're creating interfaces or building the engine behind them.